Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be reviewing this watch face called USA Bigger. Now first of all, you can see that the time is once again in big blocky numbers, and that has been the theme with this specific developer called USA Design watch faces. One thing different that I've noticed with this watch face is the seconds. Now they are also as big as the rest of the time, hours and minutes, and they are rolling. So you can see them live. So that's really cool and that's really different, and I really like this simplistic design that this specific developer keeps in mind when developing these watch faces. I really like the theme of these watch faces as well, and same is the case with this one. So let's go through some of the elements of this watch face. We've got hour, minutes and seconds, and then we've got battery percentage, we have steps here, and then we have got day and date here, and then AM PM here. Now let's see what are the customization options for this watch face. We'll go in customize. So here we have our color, so we can change these colors here. So we can go through this list. So let's select this one. Then we have minute colors. So once again we have different colors for minutes, so choose this one. And then we have seconds color, and we can change seconds color, and I think I will select this one. Next we have color for AM PM time. So you get the idea, you can change the colors for almost any element here. And then finally we have complications, so you can add 4 different complications. Let's go through the list of complications here. So in complications you can add app shortcuts, Bixby, recent apps, and Samsung Health. So a lot of stuff going on that you can add in complications. You can add Google Assistant here as well. So once you're done, press OK, and we'll go back and we have a new look for our watch face. So if I tap here, this should take me to recent apps. So one thing to note here is that even though we have complications on these 4 points, they do not show up on the watch face. Hence we get the clean look of this watch face and is not cluttered with a lot of icons, a lot of complications, and that's really cool as well. So this is the always on display version of this watch face. We have hour, minutes and our date, and that's pretty much it, and I really like it. It's cool, it serves its purpose nicely. You get to see the time and date in these big blocky numbers. So that's about it from this video guys. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.